Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you live in Canada and have a low income, you may qualify for free dental care under the Canadian Dental Care Plan. Do not miss your chance. People of all age groups can get benefits. So let's see how to check and apply. First we need to open our web browser and to write down here Canada Dental Benefit. Canada.ca Canadian Dental Care Plan. I already provide that link in my description box. If you want, you can open directly through that link. Now I need to open that link. Click here. The Canadian Dental Care Plan is helping make the cost of dental care more affordable for eligible Canadian residents. Applications are open. Eligible Canadian for all age can now apply for CDCP. Do you qualify? If you do not have CDCP coverage and now you can apply here and renew your coverage. First I show you how can we check eligibility. Click here. Do you qualify? Eligibility requirements, and you must meet all four these requirements. You did not have access to dental insurance. You and your spouse, partner must have filled your tax returns in Canada so that your family income can be assessed for the previous year. Your family income should be less than 90,000. You are Canadian residents for a tax purpose. You need to meet all the eligibility criteria to qualify for CDCP. If you have a dental coverage through the government social programs like from your province, territory and federal government social programs, you can still qualify for CDCP. So you can read all these, and now we need to click on next. When you can apply, application are open, and after meet the four requirements, what you need to apply? You need to social insurance number, date of birth, full name, home and mailing address, list of dental coverage through the government and social programs, and you and your spouse, partner must have filled the tax return in Canada for the previous year and have received your notice of assessment. If you do not have a CDCP coverage, then you can apply. Click here. Term and conditions. Thank you for using the Canadian Dental Care Plan online application, and you can read all this information. And now we need to check on this term and condition. Have you read term and conditions? Click on this link. Have you read the privacy notice statement? Click here. I consent to the sharing of data. Click here. And now we need to click only these three boxes, and now we need to click on continue. If you fill your tax and you receive notice of assessment, then you need to click on yes, and without notice of assessment you cannot apply. First you need notice of assessment. Now we need to click on continue. Who are you applying? I click on myself. If you want, you can apply all together for your family member, like for your spouse and for your kids. And now I need to click on continue. Please provide legal name to indicate your social insurance number, and here we need to enter first name, last name, date of birth, social insurance number. What is your currently marital status? If you are single, then you need to click on single. If married, then click on married, but I will show you on single. And continue. Here we need to enter our present address. My mailing address is the same as my home address. Click here and continue. Phone number. Here you need to enter phone number and alternative phone number, and after that need to click on continue. What is your preferred official language of communication? I click here English. How would you like Sun Life to communicate with you? By mail or email? I click here by mail. How would you like to receive letter notification from the Government of Canada about your eligibility for the Canada Dental Care Plan? Digitally through my Service Canada account. You will not receive your Canadian Dental Care Plan eligibility decision by mail. You can also view your Canadian Dental Care Plan eligibility decision, and I click on by mail, and now we need to click on continue. Do you have access of private dental insurance coverage? I click here no and continue. Access to other government dental benefits. Do you have other dental benefit through the federal, provincial or territories social programs other than Canadian Dental Care Plan? I click here no and click on continue. If you have, then you can click on yes. Please review this information carefully. This information provided will be used by Sun Life to create your member account and submit your application. Now we need to just click on submit your application. If you are eligible for Canadian Dental Care Plan, then you will receive a member ID from Sun Life Insurance. And if you are not eligible, then you will receive a paper email why you are not eligible for dental care plan. Check the status for your application. You can click here and check your status of application. Status check, and you need to click on I am checking the status of myself. Click here, continue. And here you need to enter your application code number and social insurance number. After that you will need to click on check status, and you can check your status of application. Now you are ready for apply your Canadian Dental Care Plan. If you want to watch more videos related to forms, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.